Hello Standard 10, your Arun sir, and going to discuss the practical, that is experiment number 4, and it is virtual, and our aim is to identify and locate the endocrine glands. And requirement, we need model, chart paper, these things we require. So dear children, what things we have to study? We have to study about the endocrine glands. So in endocrine glands only we have to discuss. In practical, we have to show practically by model or chart 4 endocrine glands, and those 4 endocrine glands which are included in our syllabus is number 1, that is adrenal gland. Number 2, pancreas. Number 3, thyroid. And number 4 is the adrenal, pancreas, thyroid, and one is left adrenal, pancreas, thyroid, and one pituitary. Okay. Now listen, endocrine gland, it means the glands which pour their secretion directly into the blood. They are also called as ductless gland. And what things we have to discuss? We have to discuss location and main function. So first one is adrenal gland, located on the top of each kidney. Adrenal gland is located on the top of each kidney. They are 2 in number, and 2 parts of adrenal gland are there: adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Okay, and cortex secretes mineral corticoid, that is glucocorticoid and sex corticoids, and medulla secrete adrenaline. Now you are knowing that what is the function of glucocorticoid and adrenal corticoid. Okay, so first thing, adrenal medulla secrete adrenaline, and function of adrenaline to give extra energy for fight and flight. Okay, excited or angriness that comes due to adrenal gland which secretes adrenaline. And which part of adrenal gland secretes adrenaline? That is medulla. And as far as cortex is concerned, I have told you that cortex secretes cortisone, and cortisone is of 2 types: mineral corticoid and glucocorticoid. Mineral corticoid regulates the function of sodium ion, potassium ion, and mineral corticoids, glucocorticoids regulates carbohydrate protein metabolism. That, and certain 6 hormones are also there. Cortical hormones behaves like sex hormone, and due to, and both in male and female both, and overgrowth of cortex causes premature sexual maturity in young children. Now we have also discussed about that some females may develop male character and some male may develop female character, that is adrenal virilism, and adrenal virilism is due to the overgrowth of adrenal cortex. Very clear or not? Now, due to hypersecretion and hyposecretion of adrenal gland, we have to discuss. Due to hypersecretion, the disease called addition disease, and due to hypersecretion, Cushing syndrome. Only this much we have to discuss for practical. Now pancreas behave both as exocrine and endocrine. Here we will discuss about the endocrine. So pancreas has got islets of Langerhans, and islets of Langerhans has got three cells: alpha cell, beta cell, and delta cell. Alpha cell secretes glucagon, which promotes the conversion of glucose, extra glucose, into the glycogen in the liver, and it is stored for. And other is beta cell, which secretes insulin, and due to over secretion of insulin and under secretion of insulin, under secretion, we are knowing that disease called diabetes mellitus takes place, and due to over secretion, insulin stop. And about delta cell, somatostatin, that is not included in the syllabus. And location of pancreas important. Okay. Pancreas is located just below the stomach and beside the liver. Next one is the thyroid gland. Where it is located, that part is important. Front of neck, just below the larynx. Front of neck, just below the larynx, this thyroid gland is located. And thyroid gland also has got two parts. Okay. Largest endocrine gland, bilobe, and it has also got two parts, that is secretes thyroxine and calcitonin, and function we have to discuss. Thyroxine metabolic activities are controlled, basal metabolism, and due to under secretion of this thyroxine, simple goiter, cretinism, and myxoedema disease takes place. Simple goiter, swelling of the gland, neck gland, swelling in the neck. And here in theory, one very important question is there, that the people who are living on hilly areas, they suffer from this simple goiter because there the soil lacks iodine. That is the answer. And older people feel cold, and that is less amount of thyroxine is secreted by the thyroid gland. Next one is the next disease, cretinism. Cretinism is the disease of children, and in that growth will not take properly. Mental retardation will be there. And myxoedema is the disease of the adult. Okay. And person becomes sluggish. Sluggish means lazy. Swelling of the face and hands. And oversecretion or hypothyroidism. If oversecretion of thyroxine is there, then what will happen? That is also a goiter, but that is exophthalmic goiter. Very clear? Increase in metabolic rate, breath rate, this increases. And last one is the pituitary gland, called master gland, because it seems to control practically all other glands, other endocrine glands. And location, very important, hangs from the base of the midbrain below hypothalamus. And pituitary has two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. And anterior pituitary secretes growth hormone. If in childhood more amount of growth hormone is secreted, gigantism will develop, very tall. If less amount of growth hormone is secreted, then dwarfness, natapan will come. And in adult, if over-secretion of growth hormone is there, then a condition called acromegaly will take place. Face bone will come out, then nose will develop, lips will become thick, and that is this. And certain hormones like thyroid stimulating hormone or gonad stimulating hormone or adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. Corticotropic hormone means, tropic hormone means refers to such hormone which stimulate other endocrine gland, and that is called tropic hormone. And by posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, the hormone secreted is antidiuretic hormone, ADH or vasopressin. And antidiuretic hormone, if less amount of antidiuretic hormone is secreted, one more diabetes, but that diabetes is not diabetes mellitus, that diabetes is diabetes insipidus. Condition will be same, symptom will be same, but in diabetes mellitus, the urine is loaded with sugar, but in diabetes insipidus, urine becomes tasteless. And other hormone secreted by posterior pituitary, that is oxytocin, which increases the contraction and relaxation of muscle of the uterus during the childbirth. Okay, and leading to the birth of the baby, also stimulates milk ejection. After birth in mammals, milks come out from the mother's mammary gland, breast, which is feeding the babies, and that takes place due to oxytocin hormone, and oxytocin hormone is secreted by the posterior pituitary. Only this much is included, and I will send you the model copy in which 4 glands you have to write and you have to draw this diagram. You can see this diagram only you have to draw, and in short the location and function of these 4 hormones you have to write. So today up to this much. Thank you very much.